Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you a trailer that I really like. This is the Heartland North Trail. And it's a very good trailer on many levels. First of all, one thing you'll notice about North Trails is they're really reasonable on weight. Most of them are half-ton towable, and they're made in a way that is really good because they use some special construction in the sidewalls, the flooring, and the roof that sets them apart from most trailers. This has a solid core vacuum bonded roof that's very hard to find in our industry. It's used by companies that are as well known as Lance, and it makes a solid core roof, no trusses, no dead air spaces in that roof. So if you should ever happen to acquire a roof leak or get a hole from a branch or something up there, it really limits where the water can go and what the water can do to your trailer. Same thing with the sidewalls. The sidewalls are put together in a laminated way with aluminum framing, but the underlayment is a special material called Asdel, and this prevents what's called delamination. And if you don't know what that is, just go take a look at some older fiberglass sided trailers and you may find delamination here and there. So those kinds of things don't happen on the North Trail. The other thing is the North Trail has a front cap that fully encloses the front end, corners, edges, and seams of the trailer. That's a gel coat fiberglass front end cap, and I like it because it makes it very difficult to obtain a leak in the front. That's the weather end of your trailer where you're always pushing into the wind, and if you can enclose that front end, you can really add a lot of longevity, and it's a dynamite technology. Another thing I want to talk to you about is the axle placement on the North Trails. These use wide track axles. It's getting more and more popular in our industry. And what it does is it creates a more stable ride. It's like lengthening the wheelbase on your truck. The longer wheelbases ride smoother, helps mitigate your hitch weight a little bit. It just makes it a really nice tow. So let's take a look inside the coach. I have a lot to talk about. So as we go inside this North Trail, this model is called the 25 RLSS, and RL is a rear lounge, and it's a very popular type of floor plan because first of all, with the back windows, everything lightens up and gets really open and nice inside the coach. And the other thing about that is it's got kind of a nice social floor plan because we have chairs across the back and then seating down the side as well. The challenge with some of these trailers in the rear lounge design is I can't put anything in the back of the trailer, so things forward become a little bit squished together, and sometimes the galley suffers a little bit, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. This one here has an outstanding floor plan. It's a much better galley. I'm very fond of this one. So as we look to the back, we see we've got two settee chairs. These are actually recliners sitting toward the back, and then in the slide out on the left side of the trailer, you have a kind of a mid-size slide out and a horseshoe seating area. Cool thing about a horseshoe seating area is it's really versatile. That's all storage under there, and it also makes a really good sized bed. And then the last thing is, of course, it can be just a nice seating area. If we take the table up, it's just like having a sectional sofa in your coach. So you've got seating around the back, seating down the side. It really makes it nice. Now, the other thing that's kind of interesting about this is that normally in the middle of these trailers you'll have the galley, and the galley will kind of come out and get in the middle of everything. But this one, the next thing that we have is the TV set and the home theater system. So doesn't it make sense to have that pointing to your seating areas instead of, some being way up in front of the kitchen or spread out from the seating areas? So this is a really logical design. Also, if you take a look here, there is a built-in vacuum cleaner in this TV cabinet down toward the bottom. It's really nice. You'll be able to vacuum your trailer and keep it clean all the time. So, and then when we go a little bit forward of that, we have the galley. Now this galley, instead of coming out to the middle of the trailer, goes up in the corner. So we have a nice corner galley with a big stainless steel sink, an oven with a glass top and a 3-burner stove. Good overhead storage. But the best part is it doesn't come out in the middle. And so I can be in there doing my mad science, whatever I'm doing, and people can be in the social area watching TV and we're not going across each other. So the traffic pattern makes a lot of sense in this trailer. Now as we move forward, one of the most striking features of this floor plan is the bathroom. Most people feel that the bathrooms in trailers are too small, they're not comfortable, they don't have room to dress, or their knees don't point in the right direction and come into contact with a door or a wall when they're using the stool. This right here is a very open shower with a big spacious bathroom area, good counter space. It's spectacular. I mean, it's just a really nice bathroom. And really, with the doors open in here, it actually is roomy enough to make the living space feel bigger too. And then when we move forward up there, we have a queen walk-around bed in our nice private bedroom. This trailer also has LED lights throughout, and it has pleated blind shades. It's very nice. I really like this interior, and I'd love to show it to you in person because I think there's a lot of things here that would really get your attention. Okay, so that's the interior. So there's a thumbnail sketch of the North Trail 25 RLSS. It's a dynamite trailer. It's got some great quality technologies. There's some things we haven't talked about yet. There's really too much to fit into a little short video like this, but I will say that this is a trailer you can use in freezing weather. We haven't talked about that yet, but the undercarriage is fully enclosed and so are the gate valves for the waste systems. In this trailer, if your furnace is on, you're going to be okay, even below freezing. All right, I hope you want to see it in person or ask me some questions. Please feel free to call me directly. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.